Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Apple has officially released macOS Tahoe 26.6.1, and while this is not a major feature update, it is an important one. So if you are running macOS Tahoe, you will probably want to install this update as soon as possible. So what's actually new in this update of 26.6.1? So the biggest change in an important security is a fix. So Apple has patched a vulnerability in the screen sharing service that could have allowed an attacker to authenticate without valid credentials under certain conditions. Apple says this issue has been resolved by improving the way screen sharing manages authentication state. Although Apple has not reported this vulnerability being actively exploited, security updates like this are always recommended because they help protect your Mac from future attacks. Apart from the security patch, don't expect any new features, interface changes, or additional apps. This is purely a maintenance release focused on improving system security and overall stability. If you are recently updated to macOS 26.6, you will notice that version 26.6.1 is a relatively small download. That's because Apple is only replacing the affected synth system components instead of making broad changes to the. This update also arrives just over a week from macOS 26.6. Apple appears to be addressing issues quickly while continuing preparations for the next major macOS release later this year in the month of September. Should you update this? For most of the user, the answer is yes. Since this release contains an important security fix and no unknown feature changes that could affect your workflow, installing it is the safest choice. But of course, you need to, always do backup of your data and everything before, going for any kind of update and save your work in progress first. So to update your Mac, simply open the system settings, go to General, select Software Update, and install macOS Tahoe 26.6.1 if it's available. So that's everything you need to know about this small update, and it closes an important security vulnerability and helps you keep your Mac protected. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple, Windows, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.